Imagine turning simple sticker designs into a $50,000 payday. I'm revealing the easiest side hustle you can start today to make serious cash online. And trust me, anyone can do it. You can withdraw the money through PayPal or directly to your bank account. The good news is that this can be done worldwide and no experience is needed for this side hustle.so. It's important that you watch this video from start to finish, as I'm going to cover everything in detail. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. That way, I can notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it and, of course, make the most money. So the first step is to create the stickers. You need to decide what kind of sticker you want to create. To get some ideas, go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you 10 trending sticker ideas that look good. Next, ask ChatGPT to help you with a prompt to create the sticker. Copy the prompt and go to Ideogram to create it. Sign up on Ideogram by entering your email and password, or simply sign up using your Google account. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into Ideogram. Change the dimensions to 1:1 and click Create. You can use any image generator tool to create your sticker. Once the sticker is generated, click on it and download it. It's a good idea to add some finishing touches to the image you generate. First, go to Canva and sign up. Click on Create Design. Enter 5,000 for both width and height, and this should be in pixels, and select a blank page. Now, upload your image to Canva and drag it onto the workspace. Go back to ChatGPT and ask for short captions based on the prompt you used to create the image. Copy the caption, return to Canva, choose a text box and paste it in. You can then edit the font style, color, and size. Once you're done designing, click Share and then Download to save the image. Now, to remove the background of the image, go to remove.bg, upload your image, and the background will be removed automatically. Click Download to save the image. Step 2. Selling the sticker. Redbubble.com is the platform we'll be using. It's a legitimate site where people can sell their designs on a variety of products, such as t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, bags, and more. You can make money by uploading your own digital art, which gets printed on these products. When someone purchases a product with your design, you get paid. First, go to Google and search for Redbubble.com. On the platform, click Sign Up, then choose How to Sign Up. Enter your email and password. Pick a nice name for your online shop, and click Sign Up. On the new page, click Add Design and upload the design we created. Add a title, tags, and a description for the image. You can ask ChatGPT to help with this as well. Once you're done, preview your design on different products. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Save Work. Now your art design is ready to sell. The bonus is the more stickers you create, the more money you can make. Stay consistent with this, and you'll start seeing the cash flow in. If you like this video, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel, and comment where you're watching from below. Take care, and see you in my next video.